So the maximum profits represented by the word called Z. You got equation 4x plus 2y, 2x plus 4y is 280. So x should be equal to 20, y should be equal to 60. Hello my dear student, good morning to one and all. I am Dr. B.S. Subramaniam, called by name Dr. B.S.S., Professor in Commerce and Management, Vidhyaashram, First Grade College, a Temple of Excellence, MYSURU. I am going to hand Statistics for Management 2, 6th semester, Unit 2, Session 3 in favor of B.B.A and linear programming. So we have got one or 4 units we require. Find out where we get the maximum profit we are going to calculate. That can be calculated graphically. It's a program we made that there are 4 items we require where the maximum profit is available. We are going to calculate. I will explain slowly. So this is a problem. A company manufactures 2 brands of paste, namely Binaca and Sibaka. Profit per unit Binaca is 10 rupees per unit and 25 rupees per unit in favor of Sibaka. So 2 products are Binaca and Sibaka. 2 material M1 M2 are used in the manufacture of process. So we are utilizing the M1 and M2 2 machinery. Each unit of Binaca require 5 units of M1 and 3 units of M2. This is important. So 5 units of M1, 3 units of M2. Each unit of Sibaka require 3 units of M1 and each units of Sibaka require 3 units of material M1, 2 and only 900 units of material M1 and 600 material 2 are available per day. How many of each should be manufactured? Here we have got, so in Sibaka you got machinery M1, 5 here. First one, how much units you have got? 5 units of M1 and 3 units of M1, 3 units of M2. The maximum profit available 1025. So the maximum profits represented by the word called Z. Maximization of profit is 10x plus 25y. This is the maximum profit available. Constrained to restricted to 5x plus 3y is 900 they have given. Here 900 are given. Then 3x plus 3y is equal to 600, where x and y should not more than the 0 we have got. So we'll go with this equation. 5x plus 3y is equal to 900. Second one, 3x plus 3y is equal to 600. Make the equation. Cancel this. Deduct 2x is equal to 300. X is 300 divided by 2 is 150. So x value should be 150. Then take this first one. Anyone? So x should be equal to 61. Then 3x plus 3y is equal to 600. 3 into 150 plus 3y is equal to 300. This is 450 plus 3y is equal to 600. 3y is equal to 600 minus 450. This is 3y is equal to 150. Y is equal to 150 divided by 3. This is 50. So when you made a graph now, you must be very careful. X should be equal to 150. Y should be equal to 50. This is the way you have to do it. We'll go to the equation now. 5x plus 3y is equal to 900. 5x plus 3y is equal to 900. Put x is equal to 0. Then 5 into 0 plus 3y is equal to 900. This is 0. plus 3y is equal to 900. Y is equal to 900 divided by 3 is 300. Then put y is equal to 0. 5x plus 3 into 0 is equal to 900. So 5x is equal to 900. X is equal to 900 divided by 5. 900 divided by 5. So 180. This is x value. We make a graph of this. X, y. In the first equation, y is 300, x is 0. In the second equation, come back here, x is 0. We can put y is 300, or we can go that x is 0, y is 300. Here put x is equal to 0, y is equal to 300 here. So then second equation we can have like this. You got y value how much? 300, x value 180. Second equation, x no. So here no, x and y, you can say that if you have got x and y, like this. So what's the first equation? X, y. What's the value of x? No, y value is how much? 300, x value. So x value is like this. Y value is 300. Here no, you can say x, you can write. X is 0, y is 300. Second one, put like this. X, y. The put y. Second equation, when y is 0, x is 180. So y is 300, x is 180. You'll come back to second equation, 3x plus 3y, 3x plus 3y is 600. Put x is equal to 0, 3 into 0 plus 3y is equal to 600. So 3y is equal to 600, y is equal to 600 divided by 3. So it is 200. This is y value. Put y is equal to 0, 3x is equal to 600, x is equal to 600 divided by 2 is 200. In the second equation, we can have x is 200, y is also 200. In the first equation, you got x is 180, y is 300. Come back to platform. So highest value of x, 200, 200. Here first one, y is 300. Highest value of x 180. Here 200, 300. So 50, 100. We can write this. 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 120, 140, 180, 200, 220, 240, 280, 300. We can go with this. 40, 80, 120, 160, 200, 240, 280, 320. Here also 40, 40, 80, 120, 160, 200, 240, 280, 320. This is your years. This is X value, X. This is Y. We'll go with one by one. What is the first equation? In the first equation, you have got Y 300, X 180. 300 to 180, 160, 170, 180, 160, 180. 300 to 180, 300 to 180. You call this as R. Second equation, 200, 200. Second equation, 200, 200. You call this as P. You join, no? So it should be joined with, what's the value you have to calculate it? So X value should be 150, Y value should be 50. Somewhere. This is Q. Q value. Join. Put the values there. So, feasible region, O, P, Q, R. So, values are here, X number of unit, Y profit, X, Y total. This is 0, leave it off. What is the profit of X? Profit of X 10, Y 25. X 10, Y 25. Come back to P. At the point P, Y is how much? 200. X is 0. Y is 200. This is 0. 200 into 25. 500. This is 5,000. At the point Q, you already calculated. At the point 2, X is 150, Y is 50. X is 150 roughly. Y is 50. Profit 150 into 100, 10, 50 into 25. 15 months are 1,500. 25 5s are 125. 1,250. So 1,500 plus 1,250, 2,750. At the point R, we can say that X is 200, Y is 0, 200 into 10, this is 0, this is 2,000. So the maximum profit available is P, where the profit is available. More profit available at the point. Maximum profit at the point P. So we'll move on to the next problem. A diamond manufacturing products, P and Q products, Each P require 4 hours of grinding, 2 hours of polishing, and Q requires 2 hours of grinding, 4 hours of polishing. So which are we got? One is grinding, one is polishing. The available hours for grinding is 200 and for polishing is 280. Profit is 600, another is 800. So how to solve graphically? Grinding 4, polishing 2. This is 4x plus 2y. Then grinding, this is P, this is Q. 2x plus 4y is to maximum 280. The maximum profit available is 600 and 800 y. So they utilize grinding how much? 4x plus 2y. The maximum profit available here, no, hours available is 200. The maximum profit is 600, 800. You got equation 4x plus 2y, 2x plus 4y is 280. This is the equation. Slowly you have to find it. First one, 4x plus 2y is 200. 4x plus 2y is equal to 200. Then 2x plus 4y is equal to 280. So, in order to get this is 2x plus 4y, you have the same thing. This should be multiplied by 2, that's only. This is 4x plus 8y, 560. You write as it is 4x plus 2y is equal to 200. 0, 0, 3 cancelled out. 6y, y is equal to 360 divided by 6, 60. So it should be tallied to 60 in the y-axis. You take the first equation, 4x plus 2y is equal to 200. Then put y value 4x plus 2 into 60 is equal to 200. 4x plus 120 is equal to 200. I am solving the equation. 4x is equal to 200 minus 120. 4x is equal to 80. X is equal to 80 divided by 4 is 20. So x value 20. You take one equation, find out whether it's correct or not. 4x. Solve the equation like this. 4x plus 2y is equal to 200. What's your x value? 20. 420 plus 2 into, what's your y? 60. This is 80 plus 120 is equal to 20. Correct. Then take the equation. What is the first equation? I think you understand. So x should be equal to 20, y should be equal to 60. You take the first equation. 4x plus 2y is equal to 200. Put x is equal to 0. 2y is equal to 200. Y is equal to 200 divided by 2 is 100. Then put y is equal to 0. 4x is equal to 200. X is 200 divided by 4 is 50. So x value should be 50. Y value should be 100. This is the first equation. Second equation, 2x plus 4y is equal to 280. Put x is equal to 0. 2 into 0 plus 4y is equal to 280. 4y is equal to 280. Y is equal to 280 divided by 4. So 280 divided by 4, 70. Then put y is equal to 0. 2x plus 4 into 0 is 280. 2x is equal to 280. X is equal to 280 divided by 2, 140. So maximum is 140, it is 70. Here, x value is 140. Then, here x value is 26. Here x value is 50, 100. So maximum y is 100. Here was 140. So 100, 140. 100, 140. So 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 110, 120, 130, 140. Highest value of y, see that? 70. Here, highest value is y is 100. Here, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Roughly 80, 90, 100. So first equation, put 2x, put x is equal to 0, y is 70, x is 140, 70 to 140, 70 to, y is how much? 70 to 140, 70 to 140, roughly. This is R. Then, second equation, another one. Y is 100, x is 50. Y is 100, y 70, x 140. 70 to 140. Then put. So y is 100, x is 50. 100 to 50. 100 to 50. Roughly you can take that. So your answer should be, y should be 60, x should be 20. X is 60. So x is 20. This is roughly you can say that. 10, 20. X is 20. Y is 60. This is your Q. First one, 100 to 140. Then this one, O. This is first one. This is second one. 100 to this one. This is 70 to 140. Second one. 50 to 100. We say that this is your R. This is cut here. Then second equation, this is P. OPQR. This is P, this is R, this is Q. Roughly you can say that first one, 70 to 140, this is R1 you have taken. Second one, 100 to 150, you have given this. One you have given this, one you have given. Q is for both. Okay, feasible region. O, P, Q, R. Upline. Feasible region. O, P, Q, R. O, P, Q, R. X units, Y units, profit, X, profit, Y, total profit. What is the profit of X? Profit of X, 600, 800. This is rupees 600. This is rupees per unit, 800. First is 0, leave it off. Then at the point P, X is 100, Y is 0. 100 into 600, this is 0. 6 ones are 6, followed by 4 0. Then at the point Q, X is 20. At the point Q, X is 20. Y is 60. So this is 20 into 600. Then 60 into 800. 12,000. 48,000. 50. These are also 60,000. 12,000, 48,000. At the point R, 140, X, 0, 140 into 600, this is 0. 140 into 600, 8,400. 84,000. Assumption, that is all. Maximum. So what I assume now, 140 as R, X axis, this is for Y axis, this is for both. So X cuts, you solve the equation. First you solve the equation. See that when you solve the equation, how much you got? X now. Here X is 4X plus 200, 60, 120 is there. Then here your equation, Y value 60. This is Y value 60. X value is 20. X value is 20. Y value is 60. Work out here. 20, 60. OPQR. 20, 60. Here X axis 140. This is P is 100 we have taken. So this line goes to P. This line goes to R. This line goes to both. So we have solved the equation. Hope you understand. So wherever you put the equation, you must be careful. Solve the equation first, and according to that equation, you have to put X is equal to 0, find out the Y value. Put Y is equal to 0, find out the X value. Solve the equation according to the, I have solved the equation. See that? I solved the equation. First, I solve the equation. Y value comes how much? 60. X value comes 20. Same has been I put in the graph. X value comes 20. Y value comes to 60. This is Y value. X and Y. Graph, scale, AX axis, 1 centimeter is 10 units. AX axis. AY axis, 1 centimeter is equal to 10 units. Scale. I have taken, this is OX axis. This is OY axis. OX axis. So representation, first equation, 4x plus 2y, 4x plus 2y. Second equation, 2x plus 4y. 4x plus 2y is 200. Second equation, 2x plus 4y is 280. This you have to show them. Hope you understand this. So far you have solved about 6 to 7 problems, same type of problem. Okay, we'll meet in the next session with another problem. Till then, goodbye. Meet in the next class.